I'm copying some files from my phone and backing up old folders when this happens. Low disk space. Sound familiar? It's time to organize, clean up the mess, and save some space. Maybe a quick way to find which file types are taking up the most storage. You can see all file extensions listed here, along with the storage space each one is using. Select the file type to view them through the visual disk map. Spot larger files, click to view their location, or choose to manage them. WizTree, one of the best file management tools out there. Be sure to check out our other video on tree size, which offers similar features. While WizTree might be the older option, it's still one of the easiest and most effective apps to use. Let's dive in. This time, I'm going to organize and manage some of my mixed files. In this folder, there are various types of files, some of which take up the most space and are color-coded for easy identification. Right away, I can spot some huge files on the tree map located in the Downloads To folder that are no longer needed, but they were taking up 20 gigabytes of my space. It looks like some of them have been backed up multiple times. I'm going to go ahead and delete more unnecessary files. Here's a clear view of the phone camera folder duplicated in 3 locations, each 675 megabytes. I've verified they're identical, so I'll delete the extras. Manage your data by deleting unnecessary files, organizing photos, and clearing watched shows to keep storage clean. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of WizTree's features and helps you make the most of it in your own case. Let's wrap up this video by showing you how to get WizTree up and running on your system. Search for WizTree and download it from the official website. Links in the description. Once downloaded, simply run the installer to get started. Follow the prompts as shown, and you're all set. That's it. See you in the next one.